Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to teach you 5 ways to check your data usage using your Windows. 5 ways to check your data usage in your Windows PC. So let's get started. But before we do, have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, please do. It really helps us. Thank you so much. Now moving on. The first way is by using the Windows settings. So if you use the Windows settings, you can check the data usage. So let me show you how to do it. First thing you do is press the Windows key +I on your keyboard to open up your settings. You can also do the normal way of boring way of getting to your settings. Then the next thing you're gonna do is click on network and internet. And next thing you're gonna do is select data usage over here. And now you can see the total data usage for the last 30 days for Wi-Fi and internet connection. This is for Wi-Fi. Then for internet, click here and you can see your internet connection. I don't have any data usage there. So that's it. It is as simple as that. That is the first method. Now let's go to the second method. The second method is by using the task manager. Now how do you do this? Press down Ctrl Shift and Escape key at the same time on your keyboard. That's it. It opens up the task bar. Remember, Ctrl Shift and Escape keys at the same time. Now once it opens up the task bar, the next thing you're going to do is over here click on App History, and now you have your app history. So view the network over here. Network is where you can see, this is the network column. It shows you data usage figures for each app on your Windows PC. So that's it. That's the second method. And let's look at the third one. The third one is by using advanced network settings. This just gives you a total. So let's go. I put it the first time, Windows and I keys press at the same time. Bring you here. Click on network and internet, and then over here you can see the total. On the advanced network settings, you can see the total 66.8 gigabytes total data usage. That just gives you the total. Now the next one we're gonna do is step 4, which is the first method. That's the first method. Remember, the first method was by using Windows settings. Second one using task manager. The third one advanced network settings. And now the first we're going to use is resource monitor. The resource monitor. Now how do you get to it? It's very simple. Search for it in your search bar over here. Resource monitor, and then you open it. Now once you've done that, select the network tab up here. Network, make sure it is selected, and then you can see the network activity. If it's not opened, sometimes this will be closed like this. So if it's closed, just click on network activity, and then you get to see the real-time network activity and data usage for different processes. Real-time. You can see it. You can even see the network activity here, the graph and everything. Complete. Now that's the fourth method. The last method is by using third-party tools. So third-party tools, there are various third-party tools available that can provide more detailed and customizable data usage tracking. Some popular options include Glasswire, Networks, and vMeter. Now this is the Glasswire. I already have that. So that's it. I click on it so you can see. And if you want to download this, you can get it at glasswire.com. If you want to download Networks, that's Networks, WORX. You can get that at sourceperfect.com/products/networks/. If you want to get vMeter, you can get it at www.ghacks.net/2022/02/03/open source Windows app, and the rest of them. It's very kind of long. So just type in your, if you're using the Microsoft Store, just type vMeter, you get it. So this is the Glasswire. You can see network usage. It's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. I'm definitely sure you did, but I know that you found this video helpful. Now you can use any of these 5 methods to easily monitor your data usage on Windows and stay within your data limits. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.